commissioning and training, and provides complete line solutions for fruit and vegetable juice, dairy beverages, comprehensive food, biological fermentation, pharmaceuticals, and fine chemicals, etc. Technology changes life. Innovation leads the future. After years of hard work and accumulation, Shanghai Beyond Machinery has obtained hundreds of utility model patents, invention patents, and software copyrights relying on its own professional and strong scientific research and development team. It has been rated as Shanghai High-Tech Enterprise and Little Giant of Science and Technology in Jinshan District and Representative Enterprise of Intelligent Manufacturing by the Shanghai Science and Technology Commission. Based in Shanghai, move forward to the whole country. Beyond production base, Jiangsu Beyond Machinery Company Limited has 7 production workshops, which covers a modern professional plant building of more than 40,000 square meters. And all processes from laser blanking to various precision machining are equipped with top equipment purchased from home and abroad, which promotes Beyond's transformation from traditional manufacturing to modern informatization and intelligent enterprise. Beyond adheres to the combination of product quality and innovation, and is equipped with full-time inspectors to make corresponding inspection and test records for products. At the same time, we introduced advanced information management systems such as PLM, ERP, from design to every process in production and installation chains. They are all strictly executed under quality controllable and traceable standards. It can fundamentally ensure the production line system being scientific and efficient, as well as zero faults and zero defects for various individual machine products. Better credibility and better quality to change the future. Behind the excellent quality is the service concept of Beyond Staff, the customer first.